done. Then I will, okay, so it is done. Then to angle it, okay, remember it is completely 8 degrees of taper. Okay, this one. Okay, so it is done. Drafting is done. Then again, I'll go for curve. I'll go to, I'll go for, okay, two guides, one guide and tangent surface. Okay, so I'll select the spine and the tangent surface. So guide curve is this edge, tangent surface. I'll not use this one. Then let me just create another guide curve. So I'll use this one as one guide curve. So I'll just go for face. Let me go for sketch. Because that guide didn't work. So because that support is not failing, so it is not working correctly. So I need to go for another support. So I'll go for a straight line again. You know, this is a straight line from the side view. Okay. But actually it is a arc. So up to this one. Okay. So it is done. Let me exit it. Then I'll go to the top view. Which one is this? This one. Sorry. Uh, that is a which one? Let me I can see. I'll go for the top one. It is visible. Okay. I'll go for this here. Okay. Now let me exit this one. Now let me again go to the top view. Sketch. Okay. So you can see this arc. So let me go for arc again. Then I'll start from here to here. Okay. Exit. Then let me again go for combine curve. I'll go for combine curve. This first curve, then the second one. Where did I draw it? This one. I'll go for okay. Oh, so now it is there. Right. Now let me again go for draft. Two guides and tangent surface. Guide one, guide tangent surface. Sorry. Again, I'll go for sweep. Two guides. So limit curve with tangency. Limit curve with tangency. Then tangent surface. Then limit curve. Okay. So my side surface is done. Okay. A very smooth tangent surface. Okay. Okay. Side surface is done. So I need to combine now. Remember, I need to combine all these areas. Okay. So that needs a little bit of techniques that we are going to explore. Okay. Now what is next? Next is to create the offset that is done from here. Okay, we'll go for that. The offset curve. Okay. Remember, we have done this one. We have not gone for this offset. So I'll draw the offset curve. Let me go for side and let me go for sketch. Okay. So this much is done. So I'll go for this offset curve. And let me go for my curve, curve one, then curve two, then join it here, done. Then curve one here to here. Sorry, curve one. Then again, curve 1. It is not tangent, so I have to go for tangent, or else it will be very much problematic if I don't go for tangent. So, again, go from here, here. Not getting the exact curvature. Let it be here. Now exit this one. I'll not. I'll come to the side view again. You can see this is I have done for this first one. Then I'll go do this for the second one also. So let me go for sketch. Then let me go for another arc. Then I'll start from here. Level end here. Okay, that is done. Exit. Now let me just project it. So now let me just project this curve. Let me say recombine. Sketch 3, sketch 4. Okay. Okay. So I need to move this. Okay. Remember, our drawings are not exact. Okay. Hence, a little bit of modifications are required. Okay. Our drawings are not exact. Hence, little bits of modifications are required. So I think it is not the problem there. The problem is here. This sketch. I'll go for trim. And it is done. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. So I'll be keeping it here, though we'll be needing nearly 2 to 3 hours to complete this whole model. Okay. So I'll be keeping it in here. If you have any kind of doubt, you can ask. Okay. So we will show you. Remember, this is just a technique to develop your, you can say product designing things. Okay. So if I go for product renders, okay. So in your company, you'll be getting. Okay. So you'll be getting renders like this. Okay. These are the renders. Most of the company work on these renders. There are artists, sketchers, those who work on 3D. So you can see they will be doing these renders. So from these renders, only you have to convert or you have to create a 3D model. Okay. Renders are 2D structures. Doing these renders are that means it takes or it consumes less amount of time. You can do this. These are hand-drawn renders. These hand-drawn renders will require some 1 hour, 2 hour of continuous drawing. Then this will be prepared. Okay. Then from here, we get all the ideas. Then we use our 3D modeling techniques to create it. Got it or not? Okay, guys. So this brings us to the end of this session.